Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to take a look at Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and this case from FNT. I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing of the S23 Ultra. Here we have the paperwork, the SIM ejection tool, and the cable, which is USB Type-C on both sides. This is the retail version of the phone. Now let's open this case and take a look. We have the instructions here, how to install the case. This is the case itself. Before installing the case, we need to open it from the front, as the instructions said. We have a microfiber cleaning cloth and a dust absorber. Before inserting it, we need to peel off the stickers here. So the case has two parts, front and back. As the instructions said, first we install the front side. And then we just put it like this. And here we have the case for the S23 Ultra. Now let me try the fingerprint sensor. We can add several fingers, but I'm only gonna do it with one. The fingerprint sensor is very good on this phone. Let's check the cutouts. Cutout for the S Pen here. Charging port, speaker, cameras, microphone here on the top. All the buttons work. So yeah, this was the video guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next one.